everybody. This is literally just a random video that me and a friend did. We can see him right up there at the top. This is a random science video that I just wanted to, I guess, put on the internet. We're in this video. We're doing a experiment about. So you can see a Slinky here. It's fully extended. He's holding it up there at the top. And then he's holding a heavy object. It's like this little Allen wrench tool thing. So he's gonna drop both of them at the same time. And the bottom of the Slinky down here, it's going to just stay where it is. Okay? And then so what we're gonna try to see is which one. So when the bottom of the Slinky is just gonna stay there until it's fully compressed, and then the rest of the Slinky is just gonna fall. So what the experiment is, will the little Allen wrench tool thing, will it pass the bottom of the Slinky before it gets fully compressed? Will it just will they meet at the same time, or will the Slinky go faster and the little Allen wrench thing still be behind? So I am going to play the video, and I guess we'll see what happens. So that was kind of quick. So I am just going to rewind that. So we can see the Slinky starts going. And it looks like the Slinky won, and the Allen wrench tool was only a little bit more than halfway there when the Slinky was already there. So, at first I thought that they were just gonna go at the same time, but they didn't. So, this is just something I kind of wanted to put out there and see what happens. So, thank you guys.